We are back and we are now on our lesson 2, which is all about identifying percentiles using t-distribution. So this would be, I think, the shortest video because this lesson is very easy. Now, so I am going to define first what is a percentile. So percentile is one of the measurements in statistics which is used to tell the value below in which an observation's percentage in a set of observation falls. Di na ko na siya ikuan, ako nang taga-atang example. Example, kung ang inyong exam score is 70. Tapos, ang percentile is 85, for instance, or 80 baka or 85. So, that means nga ang 80, kung 85 ang percentile, 85% no sa estudyante na nag-take sa exam falls below you, whereas 15% no, kay 100% no, 85 minus 100 minus 85 is equal to 15. So 15% of the students kay nakakuha og taas nga grade or taas nga score sa imuha. I will repeat, kunwari na kay exam score nga 70, no, and then naay kay percentile nga 85%. That means that 85% of the students with you nga nag-take sa exam kay na score na below you, whereas ang 15 nga remaining na percent kay above you or taas ang ilahang score sa imuha. Okay, nga na ang concept sa percentile. Now, we can find the t-value using the percentile and apply that in our t-distribution. No? So, diretso tayo sa activity number 1. In our first item, activity number 1, the n is equal to 14, percentile is equal to 95th, and then we are looking for our t-value. Atong isa-isahon. Diba, kaganina, akong ditudlo nga, para makita nato ang t-value using your t-table, kinahanglan nato og duha ka numbers. Si df or degrees of freedom, and si alpha, which is your katong nasa topmost nga topmost nga row. Now, we can use in this problem wala gihatag directly si degrees of freedom or si df. Instead, iyang gihatag is si n, where we can use this to find our df using the formula df is equal to n minus 1. So n is 14 minus 1. Our df is 13. Okay? Now, ma'am, how about alpha? Alpha is not given. Yes, alpha is not given, but we can obtain alpha using our percentile. Our percentile is 95th. That means this is 95%. 95th is 95%. Paruho na ko na percentile man percentage, no? So, kung saan na ito ni siya paggamit? No, unang sa nato ni siya gimuuna to og decimal nga value. So, unsaon para ma-convert ang 95% into a decimal? Simply divide it by 100. 95% over 100, matanggal si percent nga sign, and then you are going to obtain 0.95. Okay? Muna siya. Karon ang pangutana, muna ba na si alpha? No. Para makuha na po si alpha, atong buhaton kay minusan na to ang 100 o kaning imuhang percentile, which is 0.95. Okay? So, ang answer na to, our alpha now in this problem is 0.05. So, now you have df, now you have alpha, therefore we can find our t value. So, using our t-table, as what you can see there in the example. Now, so df is 13, and then our alpha is 0.05. Pangitao nato ang intersection. Our answer for our t value is 1.771. So 1.771. I hope that is clear to all of you. Okay, next is our item number 2. in item number 2, you are directly given with our degrees of freedom or DF, which is equal to 10. And then our percentile is 90th. And lastly, we are looking for our T value, which is denoted as such. Okay? So, sa example number 2, dili na ito kinahanglan na mag-minus-minus because naman, given naman dala siya si DF. No? So, gamitin lang natin din. Kanina ato ang i-transform. Parehas akong gibuhat kaganina dinhi A. So, we have, akong ibutang dinhi. So, 90th means 90%. Again, we are going to convert this into decimal. So, divide this by 100. Mawala ang imuhang percent nga sign. Ma-cancel out siya. Okay? And you are going to have 0.90. Okay? Pagka mag-minus nato ng 0.90 sa imuhang 100 para makita nato si alpha. So, 0.90. Klaro? So, therefore, ang atuang alpha is equal to 0.10 or 0.1. Muna ang atuang alpha given na si DF. Ang atong pangitaw si T value. So, we are going to use our table. We have 10 na DF and then 0.1 nga alpha. Kung ato na siyang pangitaw ng intersection, our final answer for this item would be 1.372. That is our T value. Okay, so now I am done with lesson 2. I think you have enrichment exercise or activity for what's more. Answer everything. Sayun lang jud ka ayon ni siya. Wala kay himuon pa nga si unsa. Just use your your T table in finding your T values. So that ends my video for lesson number 2, and we are going to proceed with our next lessons. Stay tuned to that.